Alright, hello guys, this is MRDBZ Power and I'm here with a quick fix for the trade ad exchange virus problem. So, you guys must have experienced that whenever you try to go on some website that you want to see, you get directed to another site which is named as Trade Ad Exchange, and what it does is that it shows you ads like your phone is what you call your phone is has caught a virus, or you need to install this app or that app. So what is actually happening is that your router has picked up that virus, and you need to reset that router in order to get rid of that virus. But if you don't know the router password, or you have forgotten it, or maybe too lazy to fix that, so there is another way to tackle this problem. So one way so this way of the way of tackling this problem is, first of all, I'll show you how the trade at exchange looks like. So first of all, let's go to any random site. So I said I like chocolate, so let's see. Now it's showing me a page of this chocolate thing, but it's going to redirect me soon. See, you guys can see it's redirecting me to www.tradeadexchange.com. Actually, this is because of the router, because the router has been has been taken over by that virus or something. I am not so technical about it, but I'm just telling what I am experiencing. So if you want to get rid of this, it's a very easy fix. All you need to do, if you have a Google Chrome, all you need to do is go to this place, and then you need to click settings. Alright, so after you have clicked settings, go to the privacy option and go down and click on do not track, and then just start that turn that do not track option on. Now let's see if you get the what you call the you get directed to the website again. So we'll go here. There might be a chance you might there will be a chance you might get redirected. In that case, I will tell you another way. So let's just view the original one. Okay, let's see. I guess I'm going to be redirected, but let's see. Alright, so we didn't get redirected, and that is a very good thing. Now you guys can easily check on whatever websites you want. But for those guys who are not able to get what they want even after turning on the do not track option, there is another way, and this is going to what you call this is going to fix the problem very easily. All you need to do is use another browser. So what browser should you use? So I use Puffin, and Puffin is very nice for tackling this problem. All you need to do is go and install Puffin, and go into its settings and go to this settings option. Go down, and you'll see a privacy button. Go to that, and then just click on tick this part that says tell sites not to track me. Just tick it. So after ticking it, you won't face any problems. So let's just go to that site again. I love chocolates. All right. Okay, so let's see if it gets redirected to the trade ad exchange website again. So let's just wait for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So it's not redirecting me to that site, and so this settles all the problem, and it's and that is all I wanted to show you today. So people who are experiencing any problems, they can fix it right now without going on to tinker your router settings. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe.